In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, TVJ's Kean Morgan tells us how one boy kept a promise he made to his mother, and just in time for Christmas.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
Remember 12-year-old Conroy Shakespeare from Gutter's Old Harbour in St. Catherine? He was the boy who made a promise to help his mother out of financial stress, starting with just 6 chickens. Well, consider it a promise kept. Conroy's effort went viral after he used his lunch money to buy chickens, an initiative he came up with after growing tired of being poor.
Sometimes mother not have money to send me to school, so sometimes she cook butter and rice and me not like that.
It's been 1 month since we aired his story, and Conroy's wishes have multiplied. After giving 1 chicken to his mother as promised, he sold the others, earning 3 times the amount he spent. Adding donations from well-wishers, he has now expanded to 300 chickens.
Feel happy in myself and I laugh. Say, yeah, so me get some more chicken. I could have do it, miss.
That aside, Conroy beams with pride, having taken his mom out of deep poverty.
I feel good as a son, miss. Some people not try to help their mother. And mother push me out and everything. Mother alone feel the pain.
4 weeks now I don't been at the bar.
Conroy's mother, Simone Spence, says it has afforded her the opportunity to enjoy Christmas this year.
Last Christmas, I didn't get to spend time with them because I have to be at the parties and dance hustling. But this Christmas, I will be home, baking a chicken or cook a chicken for them. So it's surely be a better Christmas.
He's also pleased to have inspired many people.
I feel good. I say I go buy chicken and people proud of me. Enough little boy I say, I buy some chicken and raise them like it too, and if me can get some more. Sometimes look upon them and laugh and just say China.
Conroy admits he still gets mocked and bullied at school, but he's not letting up. He's encouraging others to pull through like he did.
Not beat a child, not beat a fail. Till try, till you have more and more.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kean Morgan.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.